America's most iconic off-road legend, is finally reborn. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner isn't just a new SUV. It's a mountain-braking, desert-crossing, next-generation beast built on the same hardcore platform as the Land Cruiser and the Tacoma. Bigger stance, stronger hybrid power, a redesigned interior, and a brutal new attitude. This 4Runner is made for the people who don't just drive roads, they conquer them. And stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the most surprising upgrade Toyota added to the 2026 model, something no one expected. Welcome to AutoMS Hub. 1. Exterior design, rugged DNA reborn. The 2026 4Runner finally gets the redesign everyone was waiting for: bold, modern, and unapologetically tough. The front end now carries a squared, aggressive grille inspired by the Land Cruiser, paired with new signature-led DRLs that give it a fierce off-road face. The hood is muscular, deeply sculpted, and instantly recognizable even from a distance. From the side, you see the new proportions: higher ground clearance, wider fenders, larger wheels, and a longer wheelbase for stability on extreme terrain. Blacked-out trims, chunky tires, and a purposeful stance make it feel like a true adventure vehicle. At the rear, Toyota kept the classic boxy look but modernized it with vertical LED tail lamps, a wide liftgate, and a cleaner bumper design. Before we continue deeper into the new powertrain and interior upgrades, make sure to like and subscribe to AutoMS Hub for more premium US SUV reviews. 2. Interior modern cabin for real adventurers. The 2026 4Runner's interior is a huge leap forward. Toyota has finally given it the tech, comfort, and premium materials people begged for. At the center, a massive 14-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a new full digital cluster. The layout is rugged yet modern. Chunky physical buttons remain for off-road use, but the cabin now feels high-tech and upscale. The seats are thicker, more supportive, and designed for long-distance travel. Toyota improved insulation, giving the cabin a quieter and smoother feel. Rear passengers now enjoy more space, better visibility, and smart storage areas. It's the perfect balance. Adventure-ready toughness with modern American comfort. 3. Power and performance built on the TNGAF platform. This is where the 2026 4Runner becomes a different animal. Built on Toyota's TNGAF body-on-frame platform, the same foundation as the Land Cruiser and Tacoma, it finally joins the modern off-road elite. Under the hood, Toyota introduces the iForce Max 2.4L turbo hybrid engine, delivering instant torque, stronger acceleration, and improved towing capability. With upgraded suspension geometry, locking rear differential, multi-terrain modes, crawl control, and a reinforced chassis, the 4Runner's off-road confidence jumps to a new level. Whether it's mud, rocks, sand dunes, snow, or mountains, the 4Runner feels like it was engineered to crush anything in its path. 4. Fuel economy, power with smart efficiency. The 2026 4Runner may be tougher and more powerful, but Toyota's hybrid engineering makes it smarter too. Thanks to the iForce Max turbo hybrid system, the new 4Runner delivers noticeably better fuel efficiency than the outgoing V6. In the city, the electric assist handles low-speed driving, saving fuel while giving instant torque. On long American highways, the hybrid system keeps RPM low and smooth, allowing the SUV to cruise effortlessly without burning extra fuel. For an off-road SUV built on a full ladder frame, this balance of power and economy is impressive, especially for families, travelers, and adventure lovers who cover long miles. 5. Technology and safety. Smarter than ever before technology is one of the 2026 4Runner's biggest upgrades. The huge 14-inch Toyota audio multimedia system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and Toyota's latest voice assistant. The interface is crisp, fast, and built to handle both daily use and off-road navigation. Safety received a huge leap too. Toyota Safety Sense 3 is now standard. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic braking, and a 360-degree trail camera with underbody view. Parking in the city or crawling over rocks both feel easier and safer. 6. The competition, a giant in its class in the US market, the 4Runner faces real competition. Ford Bronco, Jeep Wrangler, Land Rover Defender, and the Chevy Colorado Z Artwo-based subs. But the 2026 4Runner brings something unique: legendary Toyota reliability, hybrid torque, modern tech, and true body-on-frame durability. The Bronco is fun, the Wrangler is iconic, the Defender is premium, but the 4Runner blends ruggedness, practicality, and long-term dependability like nothing else. It's built for people who want adventure without compromise. 8. Price. Toyota plans to structure the 2026 4Runner lineup to offer strong value across every trim level. While final pricing will be announced closer to launch, industry expectations place the lineup roughly here. SR5 starting around $41,000 TRD Sport, $44,000 $46,000 TRD Off-Road, $47,000 $50,000 TRD Off-Road Premium, $52,000 $54,000 Limited, $55,000 $58,000 TRD Pro, around $62,000 plus. At these projected price points, the 4Runner becomes one of the most competitive off-road SUVs in 2026. The hybrid powertrain, updated technology, stronger performance, and improved fuel economy give every trim level more value than the outgoing model. Toyota's approach is simple. Offer a modern SUV that delivers capability, comfort, and long-term dependability without pushing prices beyond reach. 9. Final verdict. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner represents a major evolution for one of America's most beloved adventure subs. Toyota didn't just modernize it, they re-engineered it to lead the next chapter of off-road reliability. Everything feels upgraded. The turbo-hybrid power, the redesigned exterior, the expanded technology, and the dramatically improved interior comfort. This SUV is built for families, weekend explorers, overlanding enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a vehicle that can handle real American terrain without hesitation. The driving feel is smoother, the cabin experience is more premium, and the efficiency gains make it smarter than ever before. Toyota preserved the 4Runner's rugged soul while adding the modern features buyers have been asking for. If you want a 2026 SUV that blends toughness, technology, long-term dependability, and true off-road spirit, the new 4Runner isn't just a choice, it's a statement. And for many drivers, it may be the perfect upgrade for the next decade. Thanks for watching this full breakdown of the 2026 Toyota 4Runner. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium US SUV reviews. More big reveals are coming. Stay tuned on AutoMS Hub.